Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the MAYZE electric toothbrush. So the toothbrush comes with 6 extra bristles, and it says on the box that it comes with a pressure sensor and a 2-minute timer, so you can do 30 seconds for each quadrant of your mouth. So here on the main part of the toothbrush, you can see that there is 5 different modes: clean, soft, polished, massage, and white. And the battery life, it lasts up to 60 days. Each of the heads has a protective cover to protect it from bacteria from getting into your mouth. The charger also comes with it too. It's just a little cord that you can connect to any box, so you could just plug it in your wall and plug it right there. I'm just gonna use normal toothpaste. Just put it on like that, wet it a little bit. So I like the fact that the bristles are wider than my usual toothbrush, and that they're really soft and they're not too harsh on my teeth. Because usually when I brush my teeth, it hurts my gums kind of, because my gums are slightly sensitive, but this one doesn't really hurt my gums. And I like the fact that the handle is like thick, because like it's like smooth too. So like it makes me feel very like modern when I use it. And I just really like it.